Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a good week, I guess. Been a good week. I made a mistake during this week, so I'm not really too excited about that. But hey, that's the nature of trading. You learn and you live, and you keep moving. Uh, so first of all, I just want to say, please like the video, subscribe, uh, leave a comment on pairs that you want to see me analyze. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I drop. This is just gonna be the weekend analysis. I'm just gonna do it today. It's almost what? It's almost midnight. It's almost 11. Okay, the market is almost about to close, so there's not gonna be any movement. This weekend I'm gonna be busy, so I might as well just do it now. And yeah. Last week we talked about the DXY, and I think I'm just gonna start over my analysis so that everybody is just on the same page. So we're gonna start with the DXY, then we're gonna just go to gold, and then there's also just another little strategy that I'm gonna show you at the end that I'm going through. So yeah. So basically, this whole week we've been expecting a bullish DXY. Uh, from the looks of it, this is one of my highest points. This is my lowest point. So right now, yeah, this is the zone that we're expecting DXY to get to, this point here, and then we're gonna just see what happens at that point right there. But for now, we can clearly see a bullish channel, bullish momentum right there. So from the looks of it, DXY is bullish, is very bullish. So if the DXY is bullish, that means we're expecting gold to be bearish. So yeah, for now we have this point here, this space right here that hasn't been. Let me fill that out. Yeah. So DXY still has that space to cover until it gets to the zone that we're expecting it to get to. Whatever happens at that zone, uh, whether at that zone it's gonna push, come back down here, and then push above, retest, and then keep going. That's a possibility. So that's possibility number one. Possibility number two could be we just get here, we do a reversal pattern, break, we sell. That's possibility number two. And then the third possibility is we could come here, just break, and push like that. So many possibilities in Forex is all about probability and possibilities. You just have to wait and see what's gonna happen and then just react. So yeah, right now on DXY we're bullish. That means on gold we're expecting bearish movements. So let me come to gold. Right. This is the analysis from last week, but I'm just gonna erase it and just start over so everybody knows what's going on. So we're just gonna start on the weekly time frame. Just quickly do it. Weekly time frame. This is my highest point, and let's just use. Okay, this is my lowest point, but we're going to focus on current market price. There's another low point. There's another low point. Right. So from here we can just go into the daily time frame. The daily time frame. What do we see? We uh, we see this bearish channel. Yeah, something like that. We see this bearish channel. We see that gold is currently bearish. Let's go down into a lower time frame. So in this lower time frame, I'm just gonna draw in my support and resistance right here. Let's put that there. You have multiple points there. Multiple touches there as well. And then where's the next one? The next one should be up here. Yeah, multiple touches on this area as well. Is there anything there? Yeah, there could be something there. So right now we can see that gold was in this bearish channel, something like that. Gold was in this bearish channel. Change the color to blue. Right. So I think last week when I did the analysis of gold, we were somewhere here. We had this channel. So this was a bearish flag pattern that actually got completed and it was actually nice. I think this part, yeah, these candles weren't formed yet, but it came back, hit our high, and then sold off. So there were two entries. There was this entry here, which was on a Monday. I remember it was on a Monday because I took it. And then our second entry was here on this. There was a break and retest on the lower time frame there, and then it shut down, which was a good trade. Let's go. Which was a very good trade. Actually, first position was here. Remember, the first position was up here, and we were targeting right here, which got filled perfectly. Second entry was here on this break, still to the same TP. Still to the same TP. Wait, just hold on a second. I'll be back. Just give me a second. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, I was saying there were two entries here, two clean entries. I personally didn't eat the whole move. I ate it till about here, and then I got out. So right now, what can we expect from gold? That's the most important thing. Right now, what can we expect? So it broke out of this trend line, right? And it came back to our zone right here. I don't like the color. Oh. Came back to this zone uh outside outside the trend, but still within this, still back to this previous high here. So what am I expecting? To be honest, I'll have to see on Monday or on Tuesday. But what I'm expecting is first possibility, gold could push to our our higher time frame trend line. So that's our D1 trend line. Give us a reversal pattern up here and then drop off, right? Or we could come back in here to try and retest maybe this trend line, retest the trend line somewhere, push up, and then we can reverse to go down. Because remember, next week there's FOMC. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the market needs to be moving, then the market needs to trap. So they might come down here, trap, 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 move up here, trap, 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 and then wait for FOMC on Wednesday night. So that's what I'm seeing on gold. That's what I'm seeing on gold. Uh, yeah, there's not much to it. There's not much to it. There's not much to it. So there's also another strategy that I've been wanting to test out. I got the strategy from a friend. I got the strategy maybe about 3, 4 years ago, but I used it, but didn't really go too deep into it. But I'm just gonna show you here what goes on. So basically, this is a price action. It's a price action strategy, high liquidity zones. Um, so let me just show you how it works. Actually, I'm not gonna show you how it works. I'm just gonna tell you what it's predicting. So this strategy right here is predicting that we came back to this zone. I bought here on my simulator just to test it out, and trade actually did go through. So this strategy uh, is saying that gold may come into here and sell off crazy, right? But however, before it does that, it could also come into here to buy, gather momentum, and then come into here and then sell. So these are the two moves that this strategy is predicting. This strategy really gives me sharp entries. That's what I've seen. It's all about sharp entries. It gives you very sharp sniper entries. So this is what I'm seeing on this strategy. If it does work out, I'll talk about it next week. But for now, I'm still in the testing phase and just forward testing and back testing it. But looks like gold really respects it. And I just trade gold for now. I'm not really trading anything else. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing. So prepare for big movements next week from gold. Most likely we're looking to sell, and we're hoping that the DXY breaks previous highs and goes and sets new highs, so that also gold can set new lows and start selling off. So yeah, Marcus Willpower here, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and leave a comment. Push that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the weekend and have a good trading week next week.